Well, it's currently raining in Chicago, so now is as good a time as any to get cozy and talk about some motorcycle books. I don't expect this video to have a lot of views because it's kind of nerdy and it's really for specific, very small fraction of motorcycle riding population. Those of us that are kind of nerdy enough to get into modifying motorcycles to some degree. Recently, I've decided that I don't really care how many views my videos get because sometimes it's 150 and sometimes it's several thousand. So it doesn't matter to me. This is not how I make money. So this video is really out there for those of you that are interested in this topic and like my videos, I guess. People that like my videos, artsy kids, builders. And you'd be right there. Like, specifically, I want to talk about books that help enthusiasts visualize and modify their motorcycles. I have 4 books here to use as inspiration and as potentially technical manuscripts to help you modify or build or sculpt your motorcycle the way you want it to use as kind of visual reference. And from that point on to something a little bit more technical that deals with engineering and building aspects of the motorcycle itself. There are 2 motorcycle books specifically that I like to use as a reference point or to use as inspiration, basically. The first book is I Draw Motos by Matt Marocco and David Mucci. This is basically a well-designed, well-put-together guide on how to draw motorcycles. It's a great reference to global motorcycle brands, to global design schools, recommended tools and materials, reference materials. It goes through the motorcycle anatomy, types of motorcycles, how to draw wheels, how to draw perspective, different kinds of perspectives, sections in the book where you can actually practice. It's a book that's a great start for those of us that are artistically inclined. They can actually draw and sketch. And even for those of us that don't have any training or don't have any drawing talents and want to dip their toes into it, and motorcycling is where they want to begin, this is a perfect book, little sketchbook to start drawing. The next book is the Motorbike Book, The Definitive Visual History. What a great reference history of all kinds of motorcycle models, types, going through the history of them from early beginnings in the early 1900s and on, companies that no longer exist in the motorcycling world to modern ones, 70s, 80s, 90s, up until now. Blurbs about everything, important people. If you're still thinking about what kind of motorcycle you want to build or how you want to modify your existing one or rebuild a donor bike, for example, it's a great way to inject yourself with references from a visual encyclopedia of the motorcycling history and the motorcycling world. Moving on from that motorbike book is this book, The How to Build a Motorcycle, a Nut and Bolt Guide to Customizing Your Bike by Gary Inman. And again, it's one of those books that's visually very cool to look at, even if you have no intention of modifying your bike or just simply want to swap out a seat or something like that. It's still a very cool book to have as a coffee table book. But if you do want to dip your toe into modifying your bike or building one from scratch, this is a great way to start. It's not the definitive manual for every single motorcycle. It's general type of visual informational book for beginner designers. Having said that, it does have a lot of information in it and illustrations that are very technical, a well-designed book that helps you understand how motorcycles are built from wheels to the engine to all the cables and electrics. And at the end, it also has a section that is kind of like an inspirational section of custom bikes to, again, inject yourself with some visual eye candy so that you have inspiration in how to move forward with your own build. The final book is the more technical one. It's not as interesting to read if you're not really into actually building a motorcycle. It's by Heinz, which is a very well-respected publisher of technical manuals for motorcycles. This book in particular is just the Motorcycle Basics Techbook. And while generic in nature, it's not maybe specific to your motorcycle or my motorcycle, but it does have a lot of technical information, much more in depth than the How to Build a Motorcycle book. Tons of schematics But I would say if you are working on a donor bike or if you're working on your own bike, this is a great supplement to a manual that's made specific to your motorcycle. Tons and tons of technical information that you otherwise would have to scrounge from the internet, all in this specific book. Highly, highly recommended for those that really, really want to dig deep and get into the guts of the motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Please watch some of my other videos. Until next time, ride safe.